All you're gonna need for this is a bottle of our bitter Aperitivo, a bottle of Sweet Vermouth, and a black cat. Hi everybody, my name is Sam Wilson. I'm the founder and winemaker at Armando. We make classic Italian-style aperitifs right here in Toronto. Today I'm going to walk you through making one of the classic Aperitivo cocktails, an Americano. And no, there's no coffee involved in this one. Super simple, it's made up of 3 ingredients, 1.5 ounces of bitter Aperitivo, and we're gonna pour that over ice. Next up, you're gonna take your Sweet Vermouth. We're using a pre-release batch of our Armando Sweet Vermouth, but you can use your favorite one. Another 1.5 ounces, so equal parts on there. Then take your carbonated water, crack that open, top it up here. You can kind of do it to your taste, 3-4 ounces, whatever you feel is best. Quick little stir to combine. If you wanna get fancy with it, you can garnish with a little bit of orange peel, lemon peel, or a wedge. But personally, I think it's perfect just as it is. Cheers. Sorry, sweetie. Next time. She's like, this is bullshit.